President Trump weighs in on the latest report from One America News, recovering a revised coronavirus impact model. In a tweet today, the president cited OAN saying a key coronavirus model is now predicting far fewer deaths than the numbers shown in earlier models. He added, quote, "That's because the American people are doing a great job in social distancing." He went on to say, "Keep going." One America's Marty Golingan has more on that report.
A new revised model shows a vastly lower than expected amount of deaths from the coronavirus. According to a model by the Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation, a peak death toll of about 60,000 is expected by August. This was the second drop in projection numbers this week by the same institute, which previously said on Sunday that around 81,000 deaths were predicted. The IHME projections are significantly lower than the initial estimates from the White House task force, which suggested 100,000 to 200,000 deaths, even in a perfect scenario where all states were practicing strict social distance orders and stay-at-home guidelines. Despite the positive direction of the new modeling, President Trump said during Wednesday's briefing he would rely heavily on his health experts on exactly when he would reopen the economy.
You look at what's happening, I would say we're ahead of schedule. Now, you hate to say it too loudly because all of a sudden things don't happen. But I think we will be sooner rather than later. But we'll be sitting down with the professionals. We'll be sitting down with many different people and making a determination. And those meetings will start taking place fairly soon.
The president also pointed out the numbers would be significantly higher if no mitigation measures were implemented at all. Task Force member Dr. Deborah Birx commented on the new modeling with sincere optimism and praised the efforts of the American people to adhere to physical distancing measures.
I know many of you are watching the Act Now model and the IHME model and they have consistently decreased the mortality from over almost 90,000 or 86,000 down to 81,000 and now down to 61,000. That is modeled on what America is doing. I think to those of us who have been in the science fields for so long is how important behavioral change is and how amazing Americans are in adapting to and following through on these behavioral changes. And that's what's changing the rate of new cases, and that's what will change the mortality going forward, because now we're into the time period of full mitigation that should be reflected within the coming weeks of decreasing mortality. I mean, that's what we really hope to see.
President Trump added that America has to stay vigilant amid the pandemic, saying we have to be on the downside of that slope and heading to a very strong direction until the virus is gone. Marty Golingan, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.